CBS News New York investigates. New York homeowners are watching their insurance premiums climb at the same time that lawmakers claim insurance companies are making large profits.
So where exactly is the money going? And are New Yorkers subsidizing other states? Tonight, investigative reporter Mahsa Saeidi looks into what's behind the premium hikes.
From wildfires in California to hurricanes in Florida, extreme weather is driving a homeowner's insurance crisis. Coverage increasingly becoming less available and more expensive.
Increasing people's rates by hundreds of dollars in a given year, that hurts a lot, especially in New York City and the Hudson Valley where I am. It's a really, really high cost of living area of a high cost of living state.
Earlier this year, 3 New York Senate committees launched an investigation into insurance rates. Senator James Skoufis says insurers are asking for rate hikes while profits remain strong.
The industry is doing extremely, extremely well here and not so well in a lot of other states. That tells me that it is likely, in one way, shape, or form, New York policyholders are subsidizing the losses in some of these other states, which obviously, as a New York policymaker, alarms me.
We reviewed data from AM Best. It shows last year, New York insurance companies spent about 74 cents of every premium dollar on claims and expenses. Nationwide, companies spent 91 cents. The lower the number, the stronger the underwriting results. Looking at the raw numbers on a direct basis before factoring in the cost of reinsurance, New York companies posted more favorable results than the national market. This trend also held in 2022 and 2023, with insurers generating higher profit per premium dollar in New York than in most other states. Another sign business is booming, Skoufis says there's no shortage of carriers.
Over 1,000 companies serving policyholders here in New York.
And those companies, according to insurance industry representatives, don't have it so easy.
There are numerous challenges in today's residential property market, including the difficult litigation environment, pervasive fraud, the increase in the severity and frequency of extreme weather, aging infrastructure, and higher material costs.
Frankly, New York has been lucky, but we are going to get that next Hurricane Sandy, and that's what insurance companies have to prepare for.
The state's top insurance regulator is acting DFS Superintendent Caitlin Azro. Last month, Azro told senators her job is a balancing act, protect the bottom line of homeowners without driving insurers out.
We do look at profitability. We're very conscious of it, given the affordability crisis.
Do you think that rates are too high?
I think it's on a carrier-by-carrier basis that we have to review.
By law, DFS must ensure rates are not excessive. But Azro says the state still faces major risk, with nearly 8 out of 10 New Yorkers living in coastal areas of the state. And DFS says they make sure companies are not importing out-of-state costs to justify rate increases. But senators want the agency to have more resources and more staff so that they can do more research before approving any rate increase. The Senate's report is expected in the next couple of weeks, and we'll tell you what they recommend.
Yeah, right. Well, when it comes to homeowners insurance, how do the rates here compare to the rest of the country?
We're doing better than the rest of the country, according to the Insurance Information Institute. But auto insurance, as we know, different story than home insurance.
That's true.
Yeah, I pay it. Yeah. I know very well, especially when you have a teenager. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Mahsa.
And if you'd like to talk with Mahsa about your home or auto insurance, just scan the QR code there at the bottom of your screen.